Namaste, Prema from LG Electronics. Today's recipe I'm making for the aloo bhaji. How to make in LG microwave. So for the ingredients, besan powder. This is a rice flour. This is baking powder and chili powder. Salt to taste. 1 or 2 spoons of oil. Adding for 3 to 4 spoons of besan powder. 1 spoon of rice flour, just 1 pinch of cooking soda, so 1 or 2 spoons of oil, salt to taste, salt to taste. For this, we'll add for that chili powder. This we can mix it. We'll make for the thick batter on this. We'll add a water. Okay. So this is a thickness it will become. So for this we can see. Now it's ready. This is, we'll keep it high grill rack with a multi-cook pan. Keep inside. Here I can select grill combination to set the time for 10 to 12 minutes. After 8 minutes, we can turn and keep it back again. 4 minutes, 10 seconds is that. Now we'll open. You can see it. Just we turn the pieces. So without using 1 drop oil, we made it on this. Just keep it back again. Close the door and start the butter. Bajji is ready. So without oil, you can make it here. So just I use it for only 1 or 2 spoons of oil. That's it. So oil-free recipes also we can make it in LG microwave. It's fully crispy, oil-free. Thank you.